Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho weather planning briefing for Friday, March 12th. What you'll see in this briefing is that there is a low currently in the southern Great Basin that will bring huge snowfall amounts to the Rocky Mountain Front Ranges, but will bring little more than maybe some elevated northerly wind to eastern Idaho. The next upstream storm may arrive as early as late Sunday night in the central Idaho mountains. More likely we'll see effects during the day on Monday, and there's a high degree of uncertainty on how this storm will develop once it reaches landfall and starts moving inland. So here's the current satellite image. You can see this is the storm. You can see it rotating basically over the Las Vegas area. That will be moving eastward. It will spread maybe some cloud cover, but it looks like the threat of precipitation we had yesterday for this area, which was around a slight chance for the Bear Lake Basin all the way over to areas beyond Malta and Malad and Goose Creek. But that slight chance has evolved to basically no mention at all, as it seems like. And as you can see here, most of the moisture is very much concentrated. It's not getting beyond really central Utah. The storm for this weekend is out here. You can see how huge and strong and a lot of moisture that is coming with it. But like I said, as this approaches, it looks like it might split in two in some of our computer simulations. Other ones, it tends to hold together. So there's a lot of uncertainty. And if it does break into, the bulk of the moisture will head with the southern track one, which will basically not quite emulate the track that this storm currently is taking, but it'll be very close. So the overview, actually for today, we've eliminated all the slight chances. There is still a slight chance of snow for the southeast highlands on Saturday, mostly in the afternoon. That's mostly in the terms of shower activity. But really the next 3 days will be pretty much a break for everyone. And on Monday, the chances return. Like I said, it'll be in the early morning hours on the west side, and this will be morning hours to afternoon for our east side zones. And then on Tuesday, all the zones, you can see it does intensify, and actually you finally see a threat of precipitation for the Snake River Plain and the eastern Magic Valley. So here's that snow on Saturday. This is it. So this is barely getting to mentionable. You can see it's mostly in the mountains and won't affect any of the major highways, although the highway between the Bear Lake Basin and the Preston area might have some issues, but again, we're looking at less than an inch. Then here's late Sunday night, where again, less than an inch, basically a dusting here in the higher elevations above Stanley Basin. And then here it starts on Monday, spreads a little bit further south, and now you see Twin Falls County into the Oakley area and the Goose Creek Basin are starting to receive some high elevation snow. And that's really about it. That's all we have in terms of how far out we can go with the snowfall amounts. The wind speed this afternoon, you can see it's basically staying 15 to 20, maybe a little bit higher miles per hour, with probably gusts around 30 here. It's all out of the northeast as that low plows through the desert southwest and the southern Great Basin. And it continues into the evening, so not our usual wind out of the south and west, but it has more of a northerly component to it, although you can see as the low departs here on Saturday afternoon, we do start to see a shift to the west, and you'll watch that evolve through Saturday evening. Really all the rest I have really are just to show temperatures. If you have an interest, continue to listen in. So for today, some temperatures getting to near 50 degrees basically in the eastern Magic Valley. Still a cool night for some locations tonight. With that north wind continuing, we really don't see, it's a slight increase in temperatures, but still it's struggling to get to 50 degrees due to that northerly wind bringing in the colder air from Montana. And then here's Sunday morning, again continued cool, especially in our northern areas, but you can see it's actually starting to warm up here in the south. Most of that may be due to cloud cover as well. And finally, we're getting to 50-degree temperatures on Sunday in Pocatello. And then Sunday night overnight lows, you can see it's much more mild. That's because cloud cover is now moved in and there's a precipitation threat. And here it is on Monday. Temperatures sort of leveled off with the cloud cover compensating for the change to southerly airflow. And then Tuesday morning or Monday night lows, see, staying kind of mild with all the cloud cover. And then highs on Tuesday starting to cool down as the cold air moves in with the low itself on Tuesday. And then Wednesday morning, with all that cloud cover, all the precipitation going on, very small changes from the afternoon highs from the day before. So that's all I really have. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at this telephone number here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.